Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this coconut pandan milk bread. These bread are so soft and fluffy on the outside and it's moist on the inside. And I love the bright green color, which is good for Christmas. Once you start eating these, you can stop. For my 6-year-old, she had like 2 to 3 of these. And my eldest, who is 14 years old, he had like 3 or 4 of these. These are that good. They are so delicious. Without further ado, why don't we get started? You will need some flour, butter, sugar, salt, yeast, coconut milk, regular milk, 1 egg, vanilla extract or pandan extract, green food coloring. So I mix the flour, the sugar, the yeast, and the salt in the bowl. But I separate them, as you can see. First, I will start mixing in the salt because you don't want to mix the salt with the yeast because it will deflate the yeast, deactivate the yeast. Then I will mix the sugar in, and I will mix in the yeast. After that, I will mix it all together. For your wet ingredient, you will need the coconut milk, the regular milk, the pandan extract or the vanilla extract, 1 egg, and food coloring. I use food coloring because I use vanilla extract because I don't have pandan extract. So with the pandan extract, it's already green. I put it into my mixer, my KitchenAid mixer, the dry ingredient. I turn it on low speed with a hook attachment. While it's on low, I add in the wet ingredient. So you're going to mix this on low for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, you'll increase it to 2 to 4 speed. And then you're going to mix it for another 10 minutes. Next, you're going to add in your butter slowly, one at a time. When it's done mixing, you want to take it out from your KitchenAid mixer and start putting a little bit of oil on the your working area. And you start kneading it for about 5 to 10 minutes or so. And your dough should be elastic, nice and shiny, and it's wet and soft, and it shouldn't be sticky to your hand at all. Look at this beautiful dough. It's so fluffy. I love the color. It's so smooth and it's shiny. It's beautiful dough. You have to put a little Pam inside the mixer. You put your dough back inside. So I cover with saran wrap. I want to put a towel over on top. And we're going to let this rest until it's double in size for about 2.5 hours. So after I've been resting for a while, so I'm just going to cut up my dough. First I start cutting in half. Then I'm going to cut it in another half. And cut it into small pieces. Cut it whichever size you like. So after all the pieces have been cut, I'm going to start rolling up into like a ball shape, nice and tight, into like a golf side ball, whatever size you like. I'm going to sprinkle on some cornstarch to keep the green color when it's baked in the oven. So now you can bake it at 320 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. So here's the final product, your coconut pandan milk breads. It's so nice, so soft. It's so beautiful. Look at that. How gorgeous they are. So I hope you guys enjoy this. And remember to like and subscribe. And I hope you like this and leave me a comment down below what you think. And I will see you again next time. Bye-bye.